Hello and welcome to the studio. My name is Matthew Palmer and today I'd like to tell you all about my Easy Clean watercolour palette. This is a palette that I designed quite a few years ago, and as of 2025 we've recently got these manufactured again. They've been out of stock for quite some time, so this is the new improved version of the palette. I want to show you what makes the palette special, but also how to use and how to get the best out of the palette. So for many years I always wanted my own watercolour palette that was unique to me, and if I go back 20, 25, 30 years even, I used to make my own palettes out of little bits of wood and everything, and it was kind of, I wanted a design that would have deep areas of mixing and easy to clean, because I'm forever cleaning the palette, especially as a professional artist. I'm forever cleaning the palette out. So I came up with the idea of making this special and unique palette. Let's take a close-up look at the palette itself. Now it does come with the QR code, which is how you watch this video. So you can scan this to watch the video anytime, so it's worth keeping onto the packaging. And it's just basically attached with a little bit of tape at the back, so we can remove that with ease, and that is the palette itself. Now the palette itself does have a lid that keeps the paint fresh, but you'll notice how the palette has got these little divided up areas. If we take the lid actually off, you can actually see how these are recessed inside with the embossed section. So this also doubles up as a palette, as an emergency palette, as I like to call it. Now this is the main area of the palette, and this is the latest updated version, which has 15 small wells across the top and down the side. Now these are the areas where you want to be adding your watercolor paint to. So you put your paint in here and you leave it in there. You put the lid back on and you're good to go. You don't want to lay down any sponges or anything wet over the top, because it'll make the paint too runny. Watercolor paint is really good. It never really goes off. It always stays active. So my advice to you is just drop in a little bit of water, maybe 20-30 minutes before you start painting, and that'll freshen up even paint that's been on there for several months. It really does work quite well. So a quick lowdown of the palette. You've got the areas here, which is where you squirt the paint from the tubes. You can leave it in there. The only colour I wouldn't squirt in and leave in is white, because white paint is really designed to be used fresh straight from the tube. All the other colours perfectly fine. You've then got these deep wells here, which are the everyday mixing areas. Now the thing you'll notice, the thing that makes this quite special and the thing that makes it easy clean, well, it's one of two things. First of all, there is no hard corners. There's no sharp square corners anywhere on this palette, so it's dead easy to get a tissue in there and wipe it clean. But also, if you take a look at the palette itself, it's very shiny. Now this coating is what makes it easy to clean. If I turn the palette over, you can see that coating isn't there. So this is like a matte finish, and this is the coating. That coating is really what makes this thing work very uniquely. So it's like a glossy surface. Now, when the palette is brand new, when you first get hold of the palette, my advice to you is take some water on some kitchen paper, give it a gentle squeeze, and just give the palette a little bit of a wipe, because in the manufacturing process there can sometimes be a little bit of a greasy surface. It doesn't affect the paint, but just give it a few little wipes before you start painting, and that'll kind of prime the surface, ready to go. A very simple thing to do, and then you're ready to use the palette and you're ready to enjoy it. Now, as I mentioned, I've had these palettes around for quite some time. They've been around for many years. This is the latest version, and I've got one here to show you that I've been using for probably about 6 or 7 years now. It's still going strong. You can see it here. This is my palette that I've been using for many, many, many years. Now, yes, it's an easy clean palette, but I've not done a great job of necessarily cleaning this one. So this is how I would clean the palette. I would whiz around with water. I mean, to be honest, that's quite clean for an artist palette anyway. But I would whiz around with water like so, and then take some paper towel, kitchen paper, and wipe it. And you can see how even this palette that's 5-6 years old still has the lovely shiny surface and still cleans up really well. Now you'll notice that the paint that goes around the edge, the 15 areas, Some of this paint has been there since this palette was new 5 or 6 years ago, but I can still use it. Watercolour doesn't go off. All you do is take a bit of water. For example, I've got some violet here that's been there for many, many years, and you can see that the violet is still there. And it's a lovely palette. You put a few blobs of water in your palette, just a couple of spots. Don't put too much water, and then lift your colour from the 15 areas and mix it in. And that is how your watercolour painting works. It's a beautiful thing, and it's a stunning way of creating paint. Now, my advice to you is to leave the paint in here. Now, I have got, as of 2025, 15 watercolour paints. There's 15 colours in Matthew Palmer's natural collection, including the brand new natural green medium. So there's 15 colours. So I would put them in here and I would leave them in there. Now, as you just saw, when the paint actually goes dry, it doesn't matter, because you can very easily come back to it and refresh it. Now, if your paint is really, really, really dry, a useful tip is to get yourself some hot water. Be a bit careful, obviously, around hot water, but hot water will loosen it up even more. But about 20-30 minutes before you start painting, possibly at the point where you're about to start to do your sketch, just put a few little blobs of water over the top of these colours, which is what I do before I teach a workshop. And that water will just eat into the watercolour, making the paint nice and active. And it really is as simple as that. And just top up as and when you needed. There's no point cleaning these out. They're designed for you to leave your paint in there. Literally taking the colour, there's some natural yellow light here, which is one of the primary colours, and literally squirting it straight in. And that'll just become part of that permanent blob, and it works really, really well. So that's the main property. And I see that this palette has been here for, crack, it must have been here 6 years, if not longer. It's been here a long time, and it's still going strong. So I've got no reason to change the palette for a nice spanking new one, but if I wanted to, of course I would. Now, you could quite simply leave the paint there quite happily, and you could take the lid from the palette. It's got the little locking mechanism, and you can just pop it on there to keep the paint fresh. Of course, it's good for travel as well. It's also quite nice as well, because the palette does actually have a deep enough well that you can actually store paints in here, so you can get quite a few colours in your palette. You'll be surprised for travel how you can actually get a decent amount of paint in there, and the lid will fit on and lock in quite nicely. It's a great little system. This has been my essential palette for the past 15-16 years. It's been a wonderful thing to have, and it was a great opportunity to be able to design the palette for you guys. So I hope that little insight into using the watercolor palette is giving you the rights and wrongs of how to use the palette, but also just how to clean it, how to store the paint. Again, a reminder, don't lay down any wet sponges or things over the top. You do not need to with watercolour. Watercolour paint stays wet and fresh. I mean, this paint here is very robust and hard. If I just put a bit of water with it, you'll see how the paint is still perfectly usable. If I'd put a blob of water in there and left it 20-30 minutes, it'd be even more usable. And that's how watercolour paint works. It's what we call fugitive. It never really goes off. Once the watercolour paint dries from the tubes, it becomes almost the same as the little watercolour pans that you can also buy. So thanks for watching. Hope that's given you all the tips and tricks that you need to enjoy your brand new Easy Clean watercolour palette. Thanks for watching.